Hi there, students. To impart. To impart. A verb. Impartation as the noun, pretty unusual. I think this really just as a verb. Okay, let's see. To impart, to communicate information. Yeah, to impart a class, to impart a conference, to relate. And then the other meaning, to impart, to give, to bestow, but particularly an abstract quality. So by imparting classes, I can impart wisdom. Um, the wording of the poetry imparted a sense of foreboding, something bad's going to happen. Yeah, it imparted a sense of fear. The honey in the recipe imparts a flavorful feel, a flavorful taste to the recipe. Okay, so to impart. If you impart information, you tell people the information. It's a fairly formal word. To impart knowledge. Yeah, so it's the job of a teacher to impart knowledge. Yeah, I'm going to impart some things that you will never forget. And then to impart a particular quality, to give something that quality. So the use of silk for the dress imparted great elegance to the overall outfit. To give, to lend, to bestow. So to impart, to communicate information. I'm sorry, but I need to impart bad news. Yeah? And then to give something a particular feeling, a quality, a taste. So very often sweeteners that are not sugar impart some taste that is not really so nice. They are getting better though, okay? So to impart, to give a feeling, to give a quality. The film imparts a sense of paranoia. Okay, so to impart a subtle flavour, to impart some advice, to impart the secret, yeah, to pass on information. Okay, to impart knowledge. Okay, to communicate, to convey. The ability to impart knowledge is something essential for a teacher. Yeah. The use of formal words imparts a sense of elegance to the way people talk or the way something is read. I've got vital information to impart to you. Yeah, the sun imparts warmth. Yeah, the sun imparts heat to our planet. Okay, to give a part of or to share. So he imparted his knowledge. He gave it, he showed it, he disclosed it. To impart a conference. Yeah, to impart a lesson. To teachers need to communicate, to convey, to transmit, to relay, to impart the understanding to their students. Very often, mushrooms, different types of mushrooms, impart a wonderful earthy flavour to the food that they're in. Yeah, they confer, they bestow, they provide, they give it. Okay, now let's see. Formality. To impart information, to impart a class. 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or formal writing. To impart a flavour, to impart a quality. 6, informality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing again. And then this comes to English through through French, from impartire, in and part. So I guess to give a share of, to give a part of. So I hope I have imparted the idea of this verb. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Impart.